Did you know that your bad habits can instantly ruin any authority you have in your leadership position? In this video, I'm going to break down 5 of the most common habits that can instantly erode your ability to lead and how you are able or will be able to overcome them. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Now, it's no secret we all make mistakes. However, some of us leaders make the mistake of believing that we are above it, that our mistakes are too high level for anyone to see. This thought process will lead to a dangerous habit of assigning blame to someone else. If you find yourself doing this, it might not seem like it's a big deal, but you should take the opportunity to own up to your errors immediately, because this is the best way for you to maintain your authority. When we refuse to accept our own mistakes, it will begin to damage our reputation, even if our motive is not to make the same mistake twice. People are going to look up to you as a leader, and they expect openness, and they expect growth and humility. Nobody's perfect, not even the most respected leaders. So don't hold yourself to being perfect. Now, leading a team, it is often daunting, but it's of the utmost importance that team leaders remember that we're not better than anyone who works for us. We are not better than the team we lead. While it should go without saying, if for any reason a team leader should happen to forget this important idea, it would be wise to reflect on a few things. First, despite your rank, your title, we all start the day putting our pants on one leg at a time. Unless you're one of those weirdos that slides them on too, but you get what I'm saying. We also enter and leave the workplace just like those around us. And most importantly, when those that you lead aren't there, you have no job. You have no work to do. So here's the thing. No one, especially the team leader, should be feeling more important than those who fill the positions on our team. Without our team, we have no business. Next is, you may believe, and I hope you've been watching this channel long enough to know this isn't going to work, but you may believe favoritism gets you in good with some people and it helps your career goals, but that's not going or couldn't be further from the truth. When your friend receives special treatment like gravy assignments and no grunt work, all of your staff notice. What you see as rewarding loyalty could be potentially harmful in the long run. Your staff members will start to think that your favoritism will decide their worth, and your promises will become meaningless. This is a lack of respect. It's going to weigh heavy on the ambition and the outcomes of what your team is able to produce, to the point where you're left struggling, trying to figure out why you can't get your team to work like a team. That's when you're going to realize it's because you're not leading a team. You're playing favorites. Do you ever feel like scheduling shifts is a daunting task? I used to hate it. Have you ever had to remake an entire schedule because of one mistake? Or maybe you're concerned about making sure that everyone is aware of the schedule and all the changes when they're published. If so, I have great news for you. Connect Team is here to help. With Connect Team, you can enjoy being able to duplicate a schedule from last week, to keep track of everyone's availability and requests without manually redistributing the schedule. With Connect Team's efficient scheduling, it's all done with a click. What's more, employees will get notified for shifts, be able to accept or reject, and easily swap shifts, all within Connect Team's mobile app. As a manager, you get to easily handle changes on the go, like someone being sick or someone being stuck in traffic. The schedule is dynamic and can be changed in just a few clicks. By introducing efficient scheduling, you can optimize resources, increase productivity, and control expenses while reducing employee stress and burnout. If you want to give it a try, and I highly recommend you do, there's a link in the description, so click there to learn more. I find that micromanagers have a distinct pattern of behavior. They continually criticize and demand perfection, and they excuse their behavior by claiming that they're just doing their job, just making sure the performance is happening. However, what's beneath that lies their fear of not knowing how to lead and being perceived to have failed their team. What these micromanagers don't realize is that their strict, controlled methods of behavior creates a workplace that's unproductive to their team in the long run. Teams require recognition, respect, and downtime in order to achieve their tasks successfully. This is something that a great manager should recognize and have the skills to rein in their own team accordingly. Basically, you want to be able to praise more than you criticize. You want to uplift more than you put down. Now let's talk conflict, because conflict is something that many managers, they want to avoid due to their own discomfort with difficult situations. Instead of facing these conflicts head on at the beginning, managers may look to avoid them altogether. And this is not the ideal solution, as small, ignored conflict always has the potential to spiral into something much more serious if not addressed. In order to make a difficult situation easily manageable, it's important that we as leaders are proactive and that we deal with any conflicts as soon as they arise. Because as what starts small can quickly grow in size if it's left to fester and bubble up. Taking action in such scenarios as soon as possible makes resolving a conflict so much simpler and so much more efficient. Good leaders need to be able to talk to people and create a work environment where everyone is honest, works together, and shows respect. Leaders should not avoid hard conversations, and they should stay honest if something goes wrong, especially if it's their fault. Listen, leadership is not easy, but it can be simple. Now let's go a level deeper and talk about why your staff might be leaving. That's what we talk about in this video. So get your coffee and I'll see you there. Ciao.